Hello everyone, this is Ross again with another video, and today I got a little something in the package. If you guys remember, RDAllen 3D printed my John Deere 4760 mod. Well, supposedly it got here today. So we're going to open up this box, and also I'm using my GoPro instead of my other cameras because my phone is out of storage and my flip camera is dead. And we don't have enough batteries, so I'm just going to open it real quick and I'll set you guys down. Okay, box is ready to be opened up here. Maybe. There we go. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Maybe I should put my headset on. And as you can see, heavily packaged here. And there it is. Look at that. We'll take it out of the wrapper here. Maybe. And there she is, the John Deere 4760 3D printed. And as you can see here, like he explained, like the exhaust stack didn't print all the way up, and like the side panels on the front didn't really print very well, but I'm satisfied with how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. So yeah, there you go. I have received the John Deere 4760. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.